South African singer Makhadzi is facing growing backlash in Zimbabwe ahead of a scheduled performance at the Icheso Music Festival on the 31st of July, as calls to boycott and cancel the event continue to gain momentum. The protests are linked to ongoing anti-immigration demonstrations in South Africa, with some Zimbabwean political and public figures demanding that South African artists publicly condemned the situation before performing in Zimbabwe. ZANU-PF Youth League National Deputy Political Commissioner Taurai Kandishaya argued that artists who have received support from Zimbabweans should speak out, while Prophet J. Israel also backed the calls. Kandishaya warned that if the concert goes ahead, Zimbabwean youth would protest the event, insisting they will do so peacefully. Makhadzi now joins other South African acts, including Mafikizolo Musakis and the Xabe Twins, whose performances in Zimbabwe have reportedly been cancelled amid the ongoing tensions.